Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is the Hebrew Jamaican Coolie back again with a nice, quick, easy video. So today I want to talk about trading stocks. Now, before we even get into any of this, I want to let you know that I am not a financial advisor and you should take everything I say with a grain of salt. Meaning that I could say, it is my humble belief that you should try this, and you should say to yourself, well, he could be wrong, right? So anyway, we're gonna go over to my Robinhood right now, and right now I this is my Coca Cola stock that I bought about 2 days ago, and the it was my premise and my understanding and my observation of the Coca Cola stock that it would be climbing up slowly today. And I bought this stock. It was I bought this contract. So I'm basically trading options, and I'm going to do a video about how to trade options and stuff like that. I'm gonna put it in the simplest form because I see a lot of YouTubers basically they don't simplify for people who just want to hear a yes and no and stuff like that. So for those of you who don't know, I have actually traded in the past. I used to do binary options trading. I've never done regular options trading, and I really and truly, I'm gonna tell you this: options trading is way better than binary options trading. I used to trade with Nadex, and Nadex is an all or nothing type of trading. I don't know if they've changed because I haven't done it in a lot of years, but I used to be on YouTube and I used to talk about the money I used to make from Nadex binary options, and I used to talk about how I used to make like $300 a day. Sometimes I would lose that $300 a day as well, and I basically just like, okay, I need to get out of this because it's kind of like gambling, as people would say. And the thing about it is that when you win, it's a good feeling, but when you lose, it's like, oh no, I gotta make back that money that I lost. So anyway, I decided that I would research regular trading contracts, options, and see how they work and stuff like that, and whatever it is. And I'm just telling you from my observation so that you understand exactly what I'm saying. And I'm going to like do a little show you a little stuff too as well. Now, when you do these options on Robinhood, right? I don't know. You want to start from let's go to here. Let's go to home. Let's start with home. By the way, my computer is a touch screen, but I don't want to mess up any of my trades and stuff like that. And we're gonna go to let's go to scrolling down. All right, let's just go to SPY. Let's just go to SPY, right? Let's go to SPY. SPY. Search for that. Now you can see that today it has a low. By the way, I traded SPY for the first time this week, and I was in the profit of I don't remember, and I wasn't able to sell my contract because I don't know why. Anyway, that's a story for another time. But here's what I usually do to tell if something is going to be good. I go to the 1 week marker first. You can see it right here, 1 week mark. Then I just go like this with my two fingers. Go like this with my two fingers. And I trace and I say, okay, that is the trend. It's not going to fall below a certain line. Alright, and then I trade based on that. Then I go to the 1 month mark, 3 month mark. And this basically tells you most of what you need to know right now about where the stock is going at this point in time. And from there, with a little bit of guesswork, you can basically tell where it is going. Now if you'd like to trade it as options, you just go down here. It says, and this is if you're doing it on your computer. If you're doing it on your phone, it's a whole different case. you go trade options. It's going to take you to this screen over here where you have buy the option, sell the option. Buy the option, buy the call. A call means that you believe that the it's going to go above a certain amount, right? Or it will, if it's below this line, you're basically saying that it's going to stay above 519 or 520. Or if you buy above the line, you're saying that it's going to go above 521, right? Now, if you per se click here, oh sorry, oops, I forget I don't have my mouse. I can't find my mouse though. So if you per se click here, right? I don't know why it's doing that. Stop doing that. If you per se click here, then you go to here. It's going to tell you what your expected profit and loss will be. So here, in order to break even, you have to be at 521.39. All right. Then anything above that, even just a little bit, is going to be a profit for you. And that happened to me this week, and I tried to close out. on it, and they would not sell my contract, and the contract ended up tanking at the end of the day, and I was extremely pissed. Anyway, so right now, here's my advice to a lot of you right now. All right, this is where I am right now. I'm at Coca Cola. Alright, and I'm gonna show you the Coca Cola right now. This is my Coca Cola stuff. I need to view Coca Cola itself. Coca Cola. Yeah, on the phone it's much easier to just look at it. Let me see. Alright. So this is Coca Cola right now. This is today that it's trading. It's trading really high, and it has a moderate upward trend, right? It has a moderate upward trend, and so I bought the call, right, a couple days ago, and this is why I bought the call. If you look at the trend right now, it is steadily rising. It's steadily rising. It won't drop below a certain, like I already realized that it's not going to drop below a certain amount. You understand what I'm saying? I already realized it's not going to drop below a certain amount. And then when I bought this contract was about, let me see how much I bought this contract for. See my return, you can see my return right now. It's $39, right? Today, and then it's a $45 return period. So I bought that contract for, I think I bought it for $80 something on about a couple days ago. Yeah, I bought it on the it doesn't tell you when you bought it, but whatever. Yeah, the phone would basically tell me. So let me go here, because this is gonna be able to tell me more. So right now, go into my Robinhood. Oh wow, it just jumped right up. It just jumped right up. Man, that is crazy. Alright, so right now, going right here. Yup. My contract is high. And now I have a $50 return on it. Right, my computer is not really moving as fast as my phone. So, sometimes you have to constantly refresh your computer on your phone. So I bought this contract for $86. And my return on this contract is right now, at this point in time, $48. Right? My return on this contract is now $48. Now, all I have to do is, if I want to sell it, I just go like this. Bam. Well, I'm not gonna sell it from there. I'm gonna sell it from my phone. because if I hit trade on it, it will say sell. So it's been a little bit difficult for me to try and sell stuff and whatever it is, but you know, hopefully guys, here's what I think, and I think you should try and get in. But I'm gonna show you the contract I bought if you want to look at it. Here's the contract that I bought. It's gonna scroll down. Where's my contract that I bought? My contract that I bought is $63. 63 here. This is where my contract is. This is what I bought actually. And it's now on a it's on an uphill trajectory right now. No, actually I bought it at 62. Oh, here it is. There's my contract. I bought it at 62, and now you can see the full cost of my contract right now, which is at $138. So I basically make like $48 profit on this contract alone. If I sell this contract right now, I'm gonna be getting back $48 in profit on this contract. And it right now, by the time it reaches like 3-4 o'clock, that's when I am gonna actually close out on the contract. It's gonna be a little bit higher, but I know that by that time a lot of people are planning to sell their contracts. So I'm telling you right now, I am going to get out while the getting is good. I am not a greedy person, and I'm gonna tell people, when you see that you've made at least close to $40, when in terms of percentage, I'm making like 45%. Well, you can't see, but let me go to it. Right now, my contract is 45%. Right? Let's go back to it. As you can see, right now my contract is 45%. Oh, that's not my contract. Hold on, that's just Coca Cola as a whole. Right, watch this. See, 134. %. Well, it's not saying that right there. It's saying 40% now. So, and you can see how much the market value of my thing is right now. All right. So anyway, guys, I hope this was very helpful. Well, I don't think it's gonna be helpful. I'm just saying, basically, maybe you should just like buy some Coca-Cola right now, because it has a steady rise and it doesn't look like it's slowing down anytime soon. So if you'd like to be in the profit, like say even $20, $30 and stuff like that, just buy the Coca-Cola stock right now. Anyway, guys, this is the Hebrew Jamaican Coding with a very quick video. I hope you guys like it. If you like it, comment, rate, subscribe, share the video. Also, my cash app is at the bottom of the video. Cash app me some money. If you feel like this content was helpful at any point in time, remember, I'm not a financial advisor, and I'm not advising on what you should do with your money. I'm just telling you what I did, and you can basically take it or leave it. You can basically take it or leave it, or whatever it is, but it is what it is. This is the Hebrew Jamaican Coolie. Peace. I am out.